just bought out 12 new mini hybrid ink pads, but I haven't got them yet, but I just treated myself to the rest of their large size of ink pads, so I thought I'd show you how I swatch my ink pads. It's a bit boring to sit through a whole load of them, so I thought I'd just swatch out the 6 because I don't really need to do the clear one. But I already had the grey, then I got the black, and now I decided to get the rest of the colours. So you've got Metro Grey, Black Shadow, Poppy Red, Empire Blue, Safari Green and Acorn Brown. Now, the way I like to swatch my ink pads is die cutting a stitched rectangle, just because I love stitched rectangles, but you could just cut that with a paper trim if you wanted to. And then I store them in these mini Polaroid photo albums. Originally, I'm just trying to, oh there it is. This is my original album, and I tried to get more of them, but I couldn't find them anywhere. I got this in Poundland years ago, and it's actually a business card holder. So if you look out for business card holders as well, they will work for this kind of thing. So this is my distress one. That's got all my distress inks and my distress crayons and my distress oxides as well. Oh, I still need to do a few oxide ones actually, because I've got 10 now. Anyway, that was my original, which I've kept for my distress because there's room to expand for any new things. And then I think I bought 4 of these. I think they were like 2 something each, and I thought I loved the cow pattern on them. So this one's got Hero Arts and Lawn Fawn, and my couple of sets of Alter New and my Hero Arts Ombre ink pads in, and I just choose a different stamp for each brand of ink so I can easily tell just by flicking through. This one has my Memento inks in, and then the rest is empty. Oh no, the rest is, oh yeah, I forgot I did these. I did colour swatches. This was back when I hardly had any inks for layering, so I would do these colour swatches so that when I came back to do any more roses I would know a really nice colour combination, so that's a good tip to do as well. And then this one has got my Aladdin Is Inks in it, and I'm going to put my Nuvo ones in the back because when I get the little ones they'll fit in there as well. So I am going to use this stitched rectangle, as I said before. This is an MFT one. It's in the stitched rectangle stacks dynamics set, and it's just the one that's roughly a business card size. So any rectangle that's roughly business card size, or it measures 8 centimetres by 5 centimetres. So just cutting it down to that would fit in one of these Polaroid albums or a business card album if you wanted that. So I'm going to use this gorgeous mandala stamp from the Delicate Detail, and this one's called Henna Flourish. And I really like this stamp set from Tonic. I've used it in quite a few magazine commissions, and I think I've used it in videos too. I get so confused. But anyway, so I'm going to start off with my Metro Grey, and all I'm going to do is ink up the stamp and stamp it on, and then I'll just come back in with a biro and write the name on. I mean, it would look much neater and more professional if you used a label maker or something, but I'm happy with just writing in a biro. So there we go, that's the first one. Oh yeah, and when I'm cleaning my stamps I use baby wipes, and then I come in with an old kitchen towel. This one used to be white. It used to be a whitey colour. But anyway, once it's dried on here it doesn't come off, so it's fine. So we're going to go the next one. I'm just stamping off the corner because it's quite a large stamp. There we go, Black Shadow. If you wanted to get a more precise look between your swatches, you could mount your stamp in your Tim stamping platform and do it that way, but you know, thought I'd just do it this way. So I'm going to go with the red. Then blue. I haven't used the blue, the green or the brown yet, so we'll see what these... can't get the lid off. Oh my gosh, that is stuck on. Whoa. God, that was really stuck on. Okay, so we're going to go blue. That's a gorgeous blue colour. Then green. Oops. If your pad comes off like this, it happened to my red one yesterday when I was using it. I will show you in a second how I fixed it, because you saw just then it didn't fall off. That's a nice green as well. Okay, I'll come back and show you how I fix that one. And then the brown. That's stuck on you. Perfect. So, how I fixed this was... oh, mess. Ugh. Anyway, how I fixed my ink pad yesterday, the red one had fallen off like this one. I just pulled it up, held on to it, pulled up all the excess glue, put it in the bin. Then I just came back in with my Cosmic Shimmer Dries Clear glue, and I just followed the pattern of where the original glue was, and then I just stuck it back on and left it, and as you saw just now, it had stuck down. Ugh. So it does work. I wasn't sure whether it would dry, but it has dried, so I'll show you again. See, red one, proper stuck on now, so it does work. Okay, so once I've done that, my next step is to just get a biro, and then I'm just going to write on it Nuvo Metro Grey. That's it. Zoom in a bit. And then this one will be Nuvo Black Shadow. Nuvo Poppy Red. Nuvo Empire Blue. Nuvo Safari Green. And finally Nuvo Acorn Brown. And then simply all I do, check I've got the right album, yep, is, yeah, I think, well, maybe I'll leave one section and start here. So I'm going to put black and grey in first. And then I'll do the colours on this page. So there we go, that's how I swatch out my ink pads. And this was the large size of the Nuvo hybrid inks, which is the original release that came out about a year ago now, but I've only just got mine. So there we go, thanks for watching, bye.